We built an end-to-end stock market data pipeline using Apache Airflow for the orchestration. The pipeline automatically fetches stock prices from the Yahoo Finance API, processes the data, and store it for the analytics purpose. So we'll start from the API, DAG. So DAG is a direct cyclic graph which has a 6 tasks. So we will talk about each and every task one by one. So first task is a API availability check. So it verifies if the Yahoo Finance API is up and it is accessible. It makes sure that particular API is available. For the second task, it fetches stock prices. It retrieves NVIDIA's latest prices, and in the next step, next task, it stores that raw data in MinIO. So what is MinIO? So MinIO is a high performance open source object storage service. So in that MinIO, it saves the fetched data, and in a next task, so we perform some kind of a operation on that raw data using the PySpark. So using the PySpark, we clean that data and transform the data into dataset and store it as a CSV file in MinIO. So what is the Apache PySpark? So Apache PySpark is a distributed computing framework. So in a next task, so what we do, that's the code. So in a next task, so we fetch that particular CSV file to load into PostgreSQL for the analytic purpose. So we we store that particular CSV file for analytic purpose and the monitoring. So that's the source file. So for the monitoring, we use the Metabase. So Metabase is a business intelligence tool for the visualization. This is our data. This is our code. This is our dependency file. So we'll see our tag. This is our tag. So we'll trigger our tag. So these are 6 tasks that we are going to trigger using that particular triggering that particular tag. So it's going to start now. So till now we will see the other application. So this is a MinIO, that object store server. So we store our files while performing the while storing raw data and after performing the operation using the Apache Spark. So this is our MinIO. After that, this is our dashboard that we fetches from the PostgreSQL for the analytic and visualization purpose. This is our data. So we have shown in that and visualization average closing price and average volumes and some kind of some chart of a volume with the closing prices. So here is another thing we have done is for the better monitoring, we integrated Slack notification. So Slack notification for the pipeline alerts for the developers when the DAG is successful or it fails. It ensures quick troubleshooting. So it give you a notification where your particular DAG is succeeded, particular DAG is failed. So we'll check our DAG. So it is on a second task. It is taking some kind of a time. So we'll wait for it. Till now we will explore other application. So this is stock market data. So we have created a NVIDIA So basically we are fetching the NVIDIA stock price. So we are storing on that particular folder. This is our price data, and this is our formatted data that we perform the using the Apache PySpark. This is our data. So here is a metabase, the BI2. So we can create more more and more functionality using that metabase. It is open source, so we need to ask some questions. On that question it will provide us a tool for us. It is also taking some time. We'll wait. Okay, this is our dashboard, stock market, we named it. So we need to pick up some metrics. So what we let's say we take a average of a high that particular day. So we will visualize this. There is some problem. We'll check for another. This also taking some time. This is your Slack application. So before I executed that task, I got a notification of a tag stock market. The particular name of our tag is stock market has been succeed. So this is our notification. We got a notification from the Apache Airflow that our particular tag is succeeded. So we'll get another notification after that completion task. But somehow it is taking too much time for the communication. So we will wait for that.